স্পোকেন ইংলিশ কোয়েশ্চেন শুনে আনসার দেওয়া অভ্যাস করো। পার্ট 2, লিসেন টু দ্য WH কোয়েশ্চেন্স অ্যান্ড আনসার ইন সিম্পল প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স।
1. What time do you get up?
I get up at 7.
2. What time does your father get up?
My father gets up at 5.
3. What time do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 8.
4. What time does your mother eat breakfast?
My mother eats breakfast at 8.
5. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat cornflakes for breakfast.
6. What does your mother eat for breakfast?
My mother eats roti and curry for breakfast.
7. What time do you go to college?
I go to college at 11.
8. What time does your brother go to school?
He goes to school at 9.
9. How do you go to college? I go to college by Toto. 10. How does your brother go to school?
He goes to school by bus.
11. What time do you return from college?
I return from college at 5 p.m.
12. What time does your brother return from school?
My brother returns from school at about 5 p.m.
13. What do you eat for evening snack?
I eat Maggie.
14. What does your brother eat for evening snack?
He eats Maggie too.
15. When do you watch TV?
I watch TV in the evening.
16. When does your mother watch TV?
She watches TV in the evening too.
17. What time do you eat supper? I eat supper at 11. 18. What time does your mother eat supper?
She eats supper at 11 too.
19. What do you eat for supper?
I eat roti and curry.
20. What does your father eat for supper?
He eats roti and curry too.
21. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11:30.
22. What time does your brother go to bed?
He goes to bed at about 12.
23. How long do you study at night?
I study 2 hours.
24. How long does your brother study at night?
He studies 1 hour.
25. What time do you take a bath?
I take a bath at 10.
26. What time does your mother take a bath?
She takes a bath at 9.
27. How does he go to Kolkata?
He goes to Kolkata by train.
28. Which train does he catch?
He catches Holt Express.
29. What time does this train leave?
This train leaves at 1 pm.
30. What time does it reach Bardhaman?
It reaches Bardhaman at about 2:30.
31. What time does it reach Howrah?
It reaches Howrah at about 5:30 pm.
32. How many AC compartments does this train have?
It has 2 AC compartments.
33. How many ladies compartments does this train have?
It has only one ladies compartment.
34. Do you like bus journey or train journey?
I like train journey.
35. Why do you like train journey?
I like train journey because it is comfortable, it has toilet facilities, and I can eat snack with coffee.
Edited by Orpan Das. Thank you for watching the video.